here we go. Black. Looks good when it's all cleaned up and that, but just doing it is a pain because it's so, well, it's way slower. Yep. I'm standing on the toilet and the toilet's moving. It's not siliconed down properly. But it will be. My next job, it's just over the way. I did all the walls to this bathroom, and then he wanted, and around the bath and that sort of thing, and then he wanted me to do the floor. So I've got to go back. It's all in 12/6, the big sucker tiles. What happened to my knife? So I've got to go back there, but I'll be here doing the silicon on Monday for a couple of hours, and then I'll go there. So what I'm trying to concentrate on today, I've just had lunch, so there's 2 or 3 hours to go. I'm going to concentrate on just cleaning it up, ready for Silicon Monday. Right, so I'll leave it with you. I'll come back to you shortly as I'm going down there. I'll go around here first, and we'll see you soon. Bye.